Hear ye, hear ye. We are the young kings. Bow down. We just trying to make music, man. I just be rapping, man. Shout out to Fifth, man. The beat is crazy. My nigga Slife. Mama Yizzo. Look. Man, what they trippin' on? We bout to put the city on. Shout out to the set, we got the streets on lock. Feed the block. I heard a couple disses, luckily ain't never seen the shots. Pray to God I never had to see your girl eye to eye. Took her home, met her out. Break a bone, ate her out. Left her some, shoulder tats. Made her come, fed the cat. Made her run, I met her back. She gave me some, I gave her back. And after that, she wonder why we laughing at your pointy ass. I'm from the old, like Busy Bone, living above the law. Like Steven Seagal, except we all black. This history in the making, I'm here to take it home. And always been a star since childhood, I'm all that. But let me give you a fact, I almost drowned at 8, but came back, I knew I was great. Glory to God, should say grace, it's more on my plate than ever before. I give thanks in order for late. Live righteous, be no others. Share your food, cause these your brothers. So rude, you ain't others. Sit back, watch 4 kings at supper. Shall I propose a toast for you niggas? Then we might just have to roast one you niggas. Here ye is Yizzo, we spare ye. Ye sleep for cover, eat beats for supper.
Blow is what we about to do. CG, he can see it too. These women also know, that's why they choosing in the living room. Fame ain't addictive, it's the money that I'm running to. The prison stay packed with blacks like Club Fountain Blue. I'm trying to rise above it all, collecting all my revenues. You ever seen a nigga get dropped for a pair of shoes? Welcome to the east side. As much as I love it, I can't wait to live a good life. Fuck a 9 to 5, I'm the get rich quick type. Flow cold, spit ice, your girlfriend addicted, she running back. Ray Rice, I almost tried to find Christ. Then I seen a preacher ballin' heavy, taking private flights. He was selling hope, rewards of afterlife. Fuck that, back on my grind. I ain't wasting time, watching out for snitches. For certain digits, they'll drop the dime. Young, black, and broken, you blame us cause we resort to crime. Survival of the fittest, I'll be damned if I get left behind.
Be no others, share your food cause these your brothers. So rude, you ain't others. Sit back, watch 4 kings at supper. Shall I propose a toast for you niggas? Then we might just have to roast one you niggas. Here ye is Yizzo, we spare ye. Ye flee for cover, eat beats.
My mind thought it was a revolution. I fed just shooting and niggas looting. See we getting it from all angles, but I never been tangled in it. Fly niggas on the web, come pay a visit. They used to call me timid, but I met a bitch nigga, really had me living. Killed the game cause I ain't come here to scrimmage. Bitch, I'm here to finish what I started while they was stuck on novice. I was working on our masters. Asked for a front, but see they got it backwards. This here just a smoke, she here just a poke. Everybody watching feeling like I'm in a microscope. Getting blowed for our lines, no coke, hella dope. I know you understand me, got the look of a dime, so don't come fucking with the family. Bees, guns not jamming, our funds will unjam them. By the time your body drop, none of us a sloppy shot.
Live righteous, be no others. Share your food cause these your brothers. So rude, you ain't others. Sit back, watch 4 kings at supper. Shall I propose a toast for you niggas? Then we might just have to roast one you niggas. Here ye is Yizzo, we spare ye. Ye flee for cover, eat beats for supper.
Yeah, rolling up, I'm flying out. I be high as kids. Got your old lady at my house, cause she love that dick. So I got the nut, then kicked her out. Told her ass don't run her mouth. Real niggas know what I'm talking about. To stay on some pimpin' shit. Yeah, Ho Fresh is my name. High top with Fago chain. Swagged out, I'm racked out. Special thanks to Mary Jane. I'm just living life, man, I can't complain. We at the round table eating, looking like some canes. Yizzo with the last hope, spit crack, we does that. Don't plan on going broke, dawg, you can find us where the money at. Now motherfuckers see that we getting on, so they wanna start texting and calling our phones. But nah, fuck that, y'all wasn't with us in the trenches when we was grinding our ass off, so step back. And I'ma ride for my team to the deathbed. It's the party, bitch, yeah, I reps that.
Live righteous, be no others. Share your food cause these your brothers. So rude, You ain't others. Sit back, watch 4 kings at supper. Shall I propose a toast for you niggas? Man, we might just have to roast one you niggas. Here ye is, here's what we spare thee. Ye flee for cover, eat beats for supper.